We are learning more details about the latest legal dispute against a Cincinnati council member. Wendell Young took a plea deal today in a case that emerged more than 3 years ago during the Gang of Five lawsuit. Our Courtney Francisco joins us live at the Hamilton County Courthouse right now to unwind all the twists and turns of this particular issue. Courtney?
Craig, Council Member Wendell Young was here inside the Hamilton County Courthouse this morning accused of violating a judge's order by deleting text messages related to the Gang of Five scandal. He had one other family member with him. There were no voters or residents inside. We really didn't expect this either because the trial is not set until next week, and it was not originally on the docket this morning, but he came up here ready to make a plea deal. No apologies from the city council member standing in front of Judge Robert Ruhlman.
Mr. Young, anything you want to say? Nothing?
No.
You don't want to apologize for doing this?
Wendell Young's attorney spoke for him after the deal was done.
Frankly, Wendell felt that he didn't have an obligation to apologize, nor did he think that he really owed anyone an apology.
Today's case stemmed from the so-called Gang of Five lawsuit that surfaced in 2019. 5 city council members admitted to violating Ohio's Open Meetings Act by conducting public business in private text messages and emails. Judge Ruhlman ordered them not to delete any text, but prosecuting attorney Patrick Hanley found that Young did.
When a public official like Mr. Young uses his personal cell phone to do city business, the Gang of Five activity, well, those texts on there become the property of the city of Cincinnati.
Hanley video chatted me after today's case and said one piece of evidence no one could prove was when Young deleted them.
To be completely honest with you, no one could determine or prove that they were deleted after Judge Ruhlman entered his order.
So he agreed to lower the charge from felony tampering with evidence to misdemeanor obstruction of official business. That is punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $750 fine. Young agreed to plead no contest and pay a $100 fine.
That should speak volumes in the final analysis of about how serious of a matter this really was.
Some pressured Young to resign once this case surfaced, but he refused. His term is up in January. Reporting live in Cincinnati, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.